effort to live life like a mother to her children. But what are we giving back as children to our Mother Nature? Today, I would like to give a message to a beautiful poem, Mother Nature's Cry by Susan Chen. It took me a long while to better the way you live. Since you have turned hostile, I've got no more to give. My land is filled with waste. My children are displaced. They live in utter fear, watching friends disappear. You treat me like a joke. Choke me up with your smoke. Strip me of any clothes and leave me with my foes. I have become man-made. Who serves you like a maid? Unnatural and impure, a disease with no cure. Do you know how I feel? See the scars I conceal? I lost my rights and voice. You leave me with no choice. I am shaped based on greed. In pain I sob and bleed. I have been infected, abused and neglected. Do you hear me crying? I'm sick and dying. You are my therapy. Love me and set me free. My children, I love you, and I hope you love me too. Your mother needs you now. Help me, I'll show you how. Recycle and conserve. Heed the rights I deserve. Hear my weakening voice. Help me regain my poise. It seems what you do has more effect on you. I am Mother Nature, not human for sure. You live the life you drain. You breathe air you stain. Drink the water you salt and eat the food you spoil. My gifts you must protect from air to ocean shelf. My love you must respect. Save me, save yourself. Thank you, everyone.